I'm Dennis Lura with Lura Enterprises, the president of the company. Built this for myself as a contractor. That's where it started for us. And we are super excited to be here at Demo Day and be part of what American does for their contractors. Okay, so what we've got here today is our contractor's package. That's the most popular package that we sell. That includes a 20, a 12, a 6 and a 4 foot tube along with a 6 and 21 inch wall plug. That is 44 feet of screed that'll turn into 30 different combinations in length. This is a product that will turn a small company into a larger company. They'll dare take on larger jobs because they can. They're not afraid of doing 20 or 25 foot wide pours. So a 4-man crew can knock out an awful lot of concrete and not beat themselves up. It's been a great relationship. Last year, American was our #1 seller of the screed, which is great. They do such a good job with their customers, as this demo day kind of is a good example of.